Controversy surrounds the newly crowned Miss Japan 2024, Carolina Shino, a 26-year-old Japanese model born in Ukraine. Hailing from Nagoya, Aichi Prefecture, Carolina made history as the first naturalized Japanese citizen to clinch the prestigious title during the contest held in Tokyo on Monday. Despite her fluency in Japanese, the victory has sparked debates on issues ranging from race to identity. Carolina, who faced criticism for appearing too European, according to social media comments, carried the weight of these challenges even as she tearfully accepted her crown. The win marks a milestone in her journey to be embraced as a true Japanese, sparking conversations about the evolving notions of national identity and beauty standards. Who is Carolina Shino? Carolina, a 26-year-old model hailing from Ukraine, relocated to Japan at the age of 5 and grew up in Nagoya. Despite becoming the first naturalized Japanese citizen to secure the pageant victory, her win has prompted questions about the criteria for being considered Japanese, given her unconventional visual features. Miss Shino's journey to Japan began at the age of 5 when her mother remarried a Japanese man. In declaring herself Japanese in speech and mind, she aspires to foster a culture where individuals are not evaluated based on their outward appearance, challenging preconceived notions of what it means to be Japanese. I have had to face barriers that often prevent me from being accepted as Japanese, so I am filled with gratitude to be recognized at this competition as a Japanese person, the 26-year-old said in her speech at the Miss Japan Grand Prix pageant. Carolina's victory in the Miss Japan pageant has triggered skepticism and debate on social media, with many questioning the appropriateness of awarding the title to someone not of Japanese descent. This controversy emerged almost a decade after Ariana Miyamoto broke barriers in 2015 as the first biracial woman to be crowned Miss Japan. Ariana faced challenges due to her mixed-race background with a Japanese mother and an African-American father. In the case of Carolina Shino in 2023, the scrutiny intensified as she lacks any Japanese parentage, prompting a renewed discussion on the evolving criteria for representing Japanese beauty and identity. Following the announcement of her victory, social media buzzed with comments questioning the authenticity of Carolina's Miss Japan title. Criticisms such as Miss Japan should be someone of Japanese mix, not 100% Ukrainian. She's beautiful, but where is the Japaneseness? And being 0% ethnically Japanese and not even born in Japan raises concerns were prevalent. In response, Aiwada, the pageant organizer, conveyed a different perspective, stating, "Today's result reinforces one conviction for me. Japanese beauty is not defined by appearance or bloodline, it firmly resides in our hearts." Wada's remarks invite reflection on the essence of Japanese beauty and prompt an exploration of the broader concept beyond mere physical attributes or ethnic backgrounds. Meanwhile, Carolina earlier last year wrote on Instagram that she may not look Japanese, but her mind had become Japanese because she had grown up in Japan. On her win, she said that winning the Miss Japan 2024 title was a dream. Being recognized as a Japanese in this competition fills me with gratitude, she added.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.